Hello guys, welcome to my channel again with AGS Official, and now I want to explain about the use of Valgrind in order to detect memory leak in C programming. Okay, well, first thing we have to see the code here. This is a sample of code in order to test our code. For example, this is we use malloc to take some memory here, and variable t is a pointer type of pointer of character. Okay, and we set this as the length of s plus 1 because we need a space for null at the end, and we just copy the s to t and we print the result, the copied string. Okay, so we have to quit and try to compile it. And we use SF50. Okay, just compile. Okay, done. Okay, now we have to run it. Okay, we just have to type the string we want to copy. Test the string. Okay, done. Everything is fine, but we don't know if the memory has a leak or not. Then we use a Valgrind. Okay, use a Valgrind here, and just space and type the malloc tree here like this and type enter. Okay, and ask for the string again, test the string or anything, and voila, this is the summary. You can see here, definitely lost. So there is a leak memory here. So how to spot it? Well, we can run it with these things. Okay, we can try it like check full, test the string. Okay, oh yes, nothing's more detail, but so we can see the full of source code again, and something's wrong there or we miss something, and we can see here we allocate memory here in pointer t, and you can see after we allocate the memory using malloc, we need to use free memory, and you can see here there is no free in any part, so we can add it here, free the memory, just use free and t. That's it. We can save it and just compile it again. Okay, then okay, we try to use the Valgrind again. Okay, test this thing or type anything here, and voila, you can see here All heap blocks were free. No leaks are possible. Done. So Valgrind can detect the memory leaks. This is the simplest thing in testing our program using Valgrind, and thank you very much for your attention, and goodbye.